Day 9 of Vlogmas, another video of what I eat in the day and what I do in the day on the WW Personal Points Plan. So if you'd like to see what I eat in the day to help me stay on track, and hopefully you'll get some good ideas, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm doing another What I Eat in a Day video on the WW Personal Points Plan. I hope you don't get bored on them, but they do help me stay accountable, and hopefully you can get some good ideas on some meals that you may want to eat. So I'm going to take you along today on my day of eating and anything else I might do on the day, which is really not much today. So come on along and share the day with me. Going out to breakfast this morning. It's hard to eat breakfast. Too many points starting the day. We had to drop the car off to get fixed early in the morning, so we did breakfast. Say hi to this guy.
Good morning.
Here's my breakfast. I got potatoes, eggs, white toast, no coffee. I count for more points when eating breakfast out because of the oil they use to cook with. Stopped at the Dollar Tree after breakfast. As you can see, their collection of Christmas items was quite a bit better than the other one I had stopped at, and I had to pick up a few things. So my hair is getting kind of long and in my eyes, so I think I will go get a haircut. So there's my haircut. She didn't want to charge me the senior rate. I like that. I'm shopping just a little bit. See if they have some low point bread. I'm in a store called Myers. These are only 1 point each for hot dog and hamburger buns. What a deal. I'm going for the carbs. These are 3 points for a mini bagel. Thomas's. Yum. Just got a small grocery haul at Myers. When I went there, I got these mini rice cakes. They're birthday cake bites. They're 90 calories for 21 pieces. And that is 3 points, I believe, or 4. I'll put it up on the screen. I got an acorn squash. Get those veggies in. I like to bake that in the oven. I got a couple cans of green beans. Some unsweetened applesauce that you can use as substitute for oil when you're baking. I got 3 pears. I cannot believe it's not butter, the light one. I got these Aunt Millie's brand buns. Here is hot dog buns and the hamburger buns, and they're only 1 point each, so that is a really good deal. And I did buy these mini bagels. They're 3 points each. They're just small ones. And to go along with that, I got some light cream cheese, which is 2 points for 2 tablespoons. I also got a pack of this turkey smoked sausage. I'm going to do a cook them in the oven in a pan with vegetables and potatoes, so it'll be a one pan meal, and that is 3 points for 2 ounces. And then some of these fully cooked turkey sausage crumbles. I like to use them in some muffins or pancake muffins I make with Kodiak cake mix, and then I just dip them in, I have them ready to go and just use them with maple syrup, the sugar-free. Oh, one more item. These are Little Potato Company Savory Herb. They are really good. You just microwave them, and then you sprinkle the seasoning pack on them. So those are 0 points on my personal points plan. So that is my small Myers haul for today. Got my hair cut and stopped and got a few things. I'm also have some pork chops in the refrigerator that I'll be making. tonight for dinner. So I cut up some potatoes into some wedges, and I put a bowl, and I put them in a bowl and some water. I'm gonna microwave them first so they soften up, and then I'll put them in the air fryer. I'm gonna also cook one of these corn dogs in the air fryer. Those are 5 points. They're from Trader Joe's. I'm going to spray them with some avocado oil. And then I'm going to put some salt and pepper, some garlic powder, and some paprika. And I'm going to put them in the air fryer for about 10 minutes. And there's my lunch. I'm having 0-point fries, 5-point corn dog, and then some sugar-free ketchup for 0 points. Tonight's dinner is a grilled pork chop for 5 points, some green beans for 0 points, and some potato for 0 points. So that is a 5-point dinner. 3 points worth of baked Tostitos with some 0-point peach salsa. So that is going to be a 4-point snack while I'm watching a Christmas movie. So that is going to be it for day 9 of Vlogmas. I ate 26 points today. I had picked up an extra one for the vegetable. And I really don't like to go out to eat for breakfast. I mean, I like to go out to eat for breakfast, but I do find I use way more points for breakfast when I go out to eat because they fry their eggs with butter, their potatoes with oil, and it just makes it more difficult to fit into the day. And so I'd rather have breakfast at home. But my husband wanted to go out to eat, so we did do that this morning. Didn't do too much, did a little bit of shopping. And that's going to wrap up this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.